Hi everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Ali Ballor. This is my law partner Alex Carl. What are we talking about today, Alex?
Welcome to our YouTube video. Stay off TikTok. A lot of misinformation out there. No, I'm joking. We are talking about the new requirement that USCIS is going to implement where applicants filling out certain forms, likely permanent residency is going to be the most applicable, maybe some non-immigrant visas, but definitely permanent residency, I would imagine. You're going to have to provide your social media handles, so just kind of a new bit of information that you're going to have to put on there. They do this for visa applications, so when you're applying for a visa, filling out that DS-160 and or 260, they're already asking for this. But it's something that the Department of Homeland Security is now going to be asking for.
So stateside is going to happen, and I would think what they're looking for is really your political positions, political leanings, and all of that. Doesn't mean that we necessarily agree with any of it. We're just putting this information out there. So unless you're a U.S. citizen, meaning you'll never need anything from Homeland Security Department, as far as immigration benefits, then I would perhaps go back into your social media accounts and see what you have posted. If you have social media and you just ignore the request when it comes down, that's a whole problem all by itself because you're signing that document. Let's assume you have social media, and if you do, review what you got. Right? So what are some of the things that might be problematic?
Drug use, maybe some extensive partying, perhaps, extremist views, maybe even. Those are the first few that come to my mind. Anything like that, they can try to use against you, maybe find some kind of, inadmissibility ground to deny your application. They could possibly even use their little power of discretion that they don't use too often, but who knows in this kind of uncertain time. So yeah, that's just to be aware, maybe clean up some posts if you have something you're not too proud of, perhaps. I don't know.
Maybe you are proud of, and extremism is subjective. Maybe it's not extremist to you. You have to see who's in control, and maybe it's extremist to them. Some of the things that comes to my mind, if you describe our present government as fascist, I don't think that's likely to be well received. If you talk about, genocide in whatever, perceived genocide in Gaza, whatever. Just use your good sense as far as what might be received and, by whom and, in which way. So, because like Alex said, a lot of these benefits that one would ask for stateside from USCIS, discretionary, right? So if there's an order that comes down that exercises discretion this way, then obviously it's a whole lot of issues for folks.
Yeah, so something to keep in mind. If you have any questions, give us a call, shoot us an email, and have a good rest of your week.
Thank you, and we'll see you soon.